here in Columbus, Ohio. I will be heading back to Boca a little later today around noon, and looks like I may be able to do it in one shot. Should take about 4 hours, 15 minutes. Conference time, and then a nice long flight back home. Another day, another conference, but a short one today, just half a day, and then we'll be heading back to Florida. All set, all done. Heading back to the airport. Heading back to Florida, 4 hours plus in the air, all IFR. But it's severe VFR. Clear!
State ground, good morning. Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu, looking to pick up IFR to Boca Raton, Florida.
Cirrus 122 Sierra Zulu, state ground, you're clear to Boca Raton, Florida as follows. After departure, climb maintain 3000, expect 15,000, 10 minutes after. Departure frequency 125.95, squawk 4036.
Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu is clear to the Boca Raton Airport via S-File, climb 3000, 15,000, 10 minutes, 125.95, and squawk 4036.
Cirrus 2 Sierra Zulu, read back correct.
Ground, Cirrus 122 Sierra Zulu, information, India at the ramp, ready to taxi.
Cirrus 122 Sierra Zulu, stay ground, roger. Runway 27 right, taxi via Alpha, Charlie, cross runway 27 left.
Alright, 27 right via Alpha, Charlie, cross 27 left. Pretty warm day down here. It's 84 degrees Fahrenheit, 29 degrees Celsius. We'll make a right over here, left on Charlie, cross runway 27 left, and we'll continue on Charlie for 27 right, the smaller runway. Tower, Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu, holding short, runway 27 right, ready.
2 Sierra Zulu now, cross runway 23, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff, flight heading 270.
Right, crossing runway 23, 27 right, clear for takeoff, 27 right, and heading 270, 127. Ready, let's go.
Go 14 traffic over the outer belt, floating helicopter 1037.
Got that traffic inside, car 14.
For 2 Sierra Zulu, contact Columbus departure.
Or departure, good day to Sierra Zulu. Departure, good morning, Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu through 1400 for 3000, 270 here.
Cirrus 122 Sierra Zulu, Columbus departure radar, contact maintain 3000.
So, climbing 3000, 127 Zulu.
November 2 Sierra Zulu, turn left heading 180.
Left heading 180, 127 Zulu.
November 2 Sierra Zulu, contact Columbus approach on 134.0.
34.0, good day to Sierra Zulu. Columbus approach, good afternoon, Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu, level 3000 bump.
Sierra Zulu, Columbus approach, climb maintain 13,000, flighting 230.
13,000 and heading 130, you said, to Sierra Zulu?
230 heading.
230, thank you.
2 Sierra Zulu, turn left heading 180, continue to 13,000.
Left 180 and up to 13,000, 127. Alright, it's going to be a long flight, and we'll see how it goes. cancel IFR a little while back because they wanted to reroute me towards Pahokee, and you know, fuel still landing with about 18 gallons.
Charlie,
I don't want to go anywhere farther out, so I'm just gonna descend VFR here by the Stewart area. There's a bunch of thunderstorms. So,
American
but it's all clear after that. But there's a nice gap between those two, so we're just going to shoot for that. Got another about 20 minutes to go from here. Long flight, about 4 hours so far. Altogether about 4 hours 50 minutes to come up from Columbus with a nice tailwind in the back. Not too bad. Easy, oxygen, relaxing. Just very nice and smooth flight. Pretty much completely uneventful, 100% until this point with these little pop-ups, but they're really not a big deal.
There are 2 Sierra Zulu, turn left, heading 130 during the shoreline southbound.
Alright, left 130 for the shoreline, 2 Sierra Zulu.
November 122 Sierra Zulu, contact Palm Beach approach 125.2.
25-2, good day, 2 Sierra Zulu. Palm Beach, good afternoon, Sierra November 1 to Sierra Zulu, VFR 2500 on the shoreline.
For 122 Sierra Zulu, Palm Beach approach, roger, and just maintain 2,500 until advised for traffic arriving Palm Beach.
Alright, 2,500 VFR until advised, and I do have information Juliet into Boca, to Zulu. And Palm Beach to Zulu has Boca in sight.
For 2 Sierra Zulu, roger, resume on navigation to Boca.
Alright, no navigation to Boca, to Zulu, thanks.
November 2 Sierra Zulu, ready to service terminated, you can keep the code, contact Boca 118.42.
Alright, see ya, VFR to Zulu, bye.
Exec 949 can go up.
Boca Tower, good afternoon. Sierra November 122 Sierra Zulu is 11 miles north of the field on the shoreline, 2,100 feet descending. Information Juliet, inbound full stop.
Cirrus 122 Sierra Zulu, Boca Tower, kilos now current, altimeter is 2984, straight in, runway 23, clear to land.
2984, straight in, runway 23, clear to land, 1 to Zulu. Alright, it's gusty. From the west. We're clear to land, runway 23, straight in, slightly to the right.
Sierra 2 Sierra Zulu, runway 23, clear to land.
Runway 23, clear to land, 1 to Zulu. Alright, let's slow up. Pretty bumpy here.
500.
Wind check.
260 at 12, gusting to 18. Zulu, turn right there, stay with me, taxi on via Bravo, have a good one.
Right over here and to the ramp via Bravo, 2 Zulu, thanks. Alright, welcome back to Boca. We're here. Right on time. Good flight. Long flight, but good flight. It's great. Nice and easy. Until that last part, but not a big deal really. So, okay, we'll go catch up with some emails and a little work. Eat a little early dinner. And tomorrow's another day.